Hello friends, in this video I describe for loop using in Python. How to use for loop in Python. Basically loop is what? Loop is just as an iterator statement which is used in Python or any other languages. So why we use the for loop? In case of the for loop, if you want to describe the for loop is working same line or same print work as a same statement or single line. That is also called a single line statement or single line loop, because the describe the because the passing initializing or passing the value in the first portion, and second is for increment second is for the checking condition oblique expression, and third is used for increment and decrement of the variable or value. So basically for loop is used in a single line. So first is the setting a loop counter or initialize a value in first block, and second part testing the loop counter to determine whether its value has to reach the number of repetition. Suppose I give an example. If the initial value now firstly we declare the variable I equal to 1. So the initial value of I is 1, and condition oblique expression I is less than equal to 10. So the initial value start from 1 and ending from 10. So continuous loop is working from 1 to 10. And third part of this, increase or decrease the value of loop counter each time the program segment within the loop has been executed. So if the value of I is 1 and I is less than equal to 10, now next time I given I plus plus, so that is the increment of 1 value is increment. In case of the Python, by default the incremental value is 1 in Python, and if you want to decrease the value, then use the decrement. You just just write down the increment in range function. If you want to give the if you want to initialize or the variable or values in case of the for loop, so automatically increment by default 1 and decrement is given to the range function according to user condition. So now let's see example using the for loop. Now let's see. Let's open the Python editor. Now click new file. I make a simple program. This program is work as a convert numeric ASCII code to character format. And suppose I give an example. The value is 65 in ASCII code is capital A, and the range is 65 to 90, A to Z. So now convert. If you give any number, suppose you give number 70, and the ASCII code of this 70 value is 70 numeric values is F. The 70 value is 70 ASCII code is F. So print using the for loop total value of given range 70 to 90. I given range 70 to 90 and convert to the number to character format, or print ASCII code of this particular given number. Now write a program to convert convert sky equal to sky value to as numeric value to character format. Now firstly we declare a variable I equal to 70. If you not declare, so not need for declaring this variable, but if you want to declare, that is better. For I in range. Now here we given the range 70 to 90. Starting value is 70 and second value is 90. And now third is used for the step. If you want to increment or decrement, so we use this step function or increment given. By default the increment is in Python is 1. So just close this braces. Now print ASCII code of given number is now here we convert the numeric value to ASCII numeric value to the character format. So we use the CHR function, that is the built-in function which is convert to the numeric value to character format in character format or ASCII code format. So now we use the CHR in bracket I is a numeric value and 70, the ASCII code of 70 number is F, so that is converted to the character format. So this function is used for the converting number to char format or character format. Now save this file in desktop. Now for 1.py, yes, no problem. Now run this program. So here we see the loop is continue working 70 to 89. So that is the, and 70 the given ASCII code of the given number 70 is F, 71 is G, to 89 equal to Y. So if you want to increment of 2 in this loop, so how to increment? By default increment in Python is 1, but if you want to increase, increment loop is 2 times. So how that is possible? Now see this. The third step, first is the starting value, second is the first is the initial value, second is the condition oblique expression, because initial value I equal to 70 and second is the condition oblique expression I is less than equal to 90, and that increment or decrement. So we given here increment of 2. So save this file and run this program. Increment by 2. So here we see the first value, initial value is 70, next increment after 2 increment the value is 72, next is after 2 increment 74. So increment by 2 in continuous for loop up to 90. Now if you want to decrease the value, so how to decrease in Python? Let's see. Just give the value I equal to 90 and passing this values 90 in here, and here we pass the 70, and that is the portion for the increment or decrement. So I give -1 given decrement y 1. So I given the -1. Now save this file. So loop start from 90, 89, 88, 87 and continue up to 70. So here we see the 90, 89 up to 71 continue loop is working by the decrement operator. Another example, I have given another example for enter your name and that name is converted to the numeric ASCII code. So this program is used for convert a numeric value to character format, and now second program is used for the converting character value to numeric value. Write a program to convert character value to numeric format. Now firstly we input from keyboard input simple enter your name format using list in Python. Now given enter your name. Now first list declare L1 list 1 P for P in S. So here the initialized value is P. By default P is null at the time, but loop is continue working from P in S means if you given the enter your name is Varun, so starting value is start from V and continue VARUN and numeric and print the numeric value of VARUN. So that is loop. This loop is working from only input character, store character from a list, store character value in a list 1 by 1. Second loop, second list 1 value in a list 1. L1 is list 1. Now L2 just break ORD function, which is used for the converting character values to numeric values. So ORD function is a built-in function which is used to convert character value to numerical value. For P in S, and this list is converted or store character value to numeric value in list 2 using ORD function. Now print this value, print L1, and second is a print L2. So now save this program and run this program. Enter your name. Just close this. Now again run this. So first you enter your name. Suppose my name is Varun Tiwari, Varun Tiwari. Just enter. So here we see the capital B, all the values is stored in the list because the space is also stored. So capital V is 86, small a 97, and same the ASCII character value in a given numeric value in using the list. So that is the second example of using for loop in Python. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.